If you want to get iPhone ringtone on a Nothing Phone 3, what you have to do is go to the Play Store, and then we're gonna search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna just simply write iPhone ringtone in this case. There we go. And we should be able to find some example apps. In my case, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna install this app, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the iPhone ringtone. Feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for one reason or another. So once it is installed, we're gonna open it. The setup is pretty easy. We just have to press consent over here. Wait a couple of seconds. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, so we need to wait for the ad to close it. There we go. We need to grant access for the app to music and audio. We need to grant permissions so that the app can actually set an audio as a ringtone. And over here we have the list of ringtones. So we can press play right next to the ringtones in order to find out our favorite one. If you like the selected iPhone ringtone, we can tap on these three dots on the right side. Press a ringtone over here on the left side. Once again, wait for the ad to close it. There we go. And after that, you should see that we have set the ringtone successfully. So we're gonna press OK, and just to check if it's set up properly, we're gonna go to settings, open sound and vibration, and as you can hear, we have iPhone ringtone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.